Now, when it comes to second row spacing, now you've got a couple different options. Firstly, when it comes to the configuration. So what we're looking at here is the dual captain's chairs with a full console in the middle. So there is an option to go for the dual captain's chairs without the console, and then you've also got the ability to have a bench seat. So there are 3 different configuration options. It really depends on how many seats do you need. The Aviator is going to give you the ability to go up to 7 seats maximum. So you'll have your driver, passenger, your back 2 seats, and then either 2 or 3 seats in the middle. Again, as I mentioned, depending on the configuration. So, a couple things to point out about the back here. So as you can see, the front seat is set up for somebody that's a little bit taller than 6 feet. So I've got it set up as if the person's 6'5". And as you can see here, I still have some knee room. And up overhead, I've got about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of headspace. Now, one other thing to point out is that these seats on the middle row are also adjustable. So you can move them forwards or backwards, especially if you need to give people in that back row a little bit more space. When it comes to third row spacing, so in the back seats, I'm 6 feet tall. Now with the seat all the way back as well as far as it'll go, I still have leg room back here. Now when it comes to up overhead, so as I mentioned, I'm 6 feet tall, I still have about, I'd say 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches of headspace. So if you've got taller kids, taller passengers for that third row, you can rest assured knowing that they've got the ability to have a ton of space in the back, which is really, really nice.